Now, the five-man panel of the Supreme Court, led by Justice Uwani, Musa, Abba has unanimously thrown out the motion of notice filed by Barrister Emmanuel Ukabgbu Esq, the lead counsel to the appellant applicant in case between the Chartered Institute of Project Managers of Nigeria, the CIPMN, and Dr. Victoria Okoronkwo versus Professor Cyprain Edward-Ekpo and others, requesting a stay of execution and interlocutory order in defense to the procurement of the appellate court. Citing what he described as an abuse of the judicial process, the court awarded a punitive sum of 1 million naira to the respondent. Daniel Obi has the details.
Pending further judicial pronouncements on the substantive matter by the trial court, the judgment of the Apex Court effectively strips off the appellant and its other substitutive bodies any legal latitude to parade or present itself as the authentic body of the Chartered Institute of Project Managers of Nigeria, CIPMN, an issue that the respondent has already taken up with the law enforcement authorities. Requesting the reaction of the counsel to the appellants on the pronouncements of the courts, the counsel politely turns down these requests to voice his reactions to newsmen. Meanwhile, counsel to the respondent, Dr. Ibrahim Yalmukhtar, had this to say regarding the decisions of the courts.
I'm very happy. This was expected because the position of the law is very clear on issues of this nature. So I'm happy to see that justice has been served. And, you know, like we said, you can only delay justice by your technicalities, but certainly you cannot completely, you know, prevent justice from taking its course.
The leadership of the Chartered Institute of Project Managers, CIPMN, led by its president, Dr. Jamilu Isa Yankwashi, applauded the entire judicial process, while mocking the appellant's disingenuous attempts at relying on technicalities just to buy time as it has no case to present. Dr. Yankwashi expressed willingness at a harmonious resolution of issues only within the foundation of the established facts of the law.
I just wanted to use this opportunity to call on the general public to see that Dr. Mrs. Victoria Kerema Okoronkwo, Harry Ifeanyi Mbadiwe and his gang were just imposters and impersonating the leadership of the CIPMN Institute. They are issuing fake certificates because they are not the rightful leadership of the CIPMN Institute. They have no authority to do that under the law. The way forward is that we are very ready to ensure that the project management profession has given the desired place in the Federal Republic of Nigeria to ensure that no quack is allowed to manage projects.
We have seen it all today that justice has been served. The rule of law must be followed. Nobody is above the law. So we have seen it all and it must be followed suit.
Established by the Act of 2018, the Chartered Institute of Project Managers of Nigeria, CIPMN, is an agency with the sole responsibility to regulate, license, supervise, train, certify, and standardize project management professionals in Nigeria. Daniel Obi, ASO Television News.